Hi guys, today I will be unboxing this Oral-B Pro 100 toothbrush. So this one comes with the electric brush handle, then one brush head and charger and travel case. Okay, so this one has a built-in 2-minute timer, so just perfect for one brushing. So just open this now. So probably just open from this from the top. Yep. So here is the brush handle. Probably I need to just cut this one. Yep. Then here's the head. Then here is the charger. Looks like this. Then here is the travel case. Yep. So let me try if I put this one in here. So just push it in, or probably like this. Then the brush somewhere here. So once I open this one, just put this here. Yep. Then probably here. Then just close it, open. But there's no space for the charger, so this one will bring it separately. Comes some manual documentation about this product. Alright, so let me see if it is a charge. I will not open this one now because I have a extra spare. Then I'll just use this one. Try. Oh, it's fully depleted, so I need to charge it first. So okay, so normally if you're charging it, there is no light indicator. Okay, just charge it now. Okay, after charging for a few minutes, so probably it's a little bit charged, then we'll try this one. Press the button. Yep. Try a brush head. Yeah, it works. Okay, after charging for 24 hours, so I will try the 2-minute timer. So you can see this one has a timer right in here. So let's see. almost there. Yep, so that is the sign that it's already reached 2 minutes but it's still running. So I think that's the timer that indicates it's already reached the 2 minutes. So it's not really turning off. Okay, right, that's it. Thank you for watching.